Hello dear Zoom Auto family. Today we're diving into something that looks futuristic, drives like a beast, and proudly wears the Porsche badge, the 2025 Porsche Taycan GTS. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another Taycan? Haven't we seen this already? But wait, this 2025 facelift brings some serious upgrades in the GTS version. That's the sweet spot, right between the Comfort S and the wild turbo SLETs. Start with the design, because, oh boy, this one grabs attention. The 2025 Taycan GTS in this Slate Grey Neo finish is stealthy and stylish. This is a unicolor, no metallic shine, just pure attitude. Porsche updated the front and rear bumpers, made them more aggressive, and gave us those new Matrix LED headlights and a slick illuminated rear light bar. If looks could kill, this would be it. You also get the 21-inch RS Spyder design wheels wrapped in Goodyear Eagle F1 EV tires, designed specifically for electric performance. The 265-section front and 305-section rear tires make sure this Taycan grips like glue behind those wheels. Optional carbon ceramic brakes, and let me tell you, these stop harder than your mom spotting you sneaking in late now. The real fun begins under the skin. The 2025 Taycan GTS comes with a 97 kilowatt-hours usable battery, dual motors, one front, one rear, and a 2-speed transmission on the rear axle. Standard power is around 605 horsepower, but use launch control or the overboost push-to-pass button, and it shoots up to a monstrous 700 horsepower and 790 Newton meters of torque. What does that mean in real-world numbers? Porsche claims 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 3.3 seconds, but in real-world testing, it hit 3.1 seconds. That's supercar acceleration in a 4-door EV, and the ride quality, next level. The Porsche Active Suspension Management PASM system has been updated for 2025, and GTS models get sportier tunings, stiffer dampers, retuned anti-roll bars, and more responsive torque vectoring. Result, it handles like a proper Porsche. Yes, it's an EV. Yes, it weighs over 2,300 kilograms, but the way it corners, you forget it's that heavy. It feels rear-biased, playful, and confident, even when pushed hard. Interior time. You get GTS logos stitched into the seats, Alcantara all over the place, including the dash and headliner, and matte carbon fiber trim. It's a Porsche cabin, minimal, premium, but not overly flashy. Though honestly, once you cross that 150,000 euros plus mark, it starts to feel a little safe, especially if you've been inside something like a Lucid or an EQS. Still, the curved digital display, the tactile buttons, and the sporty driving position make it a driver-focused space. And the Race-Tex steering wheel, chef's kiss. Let's talk charging. Thanks to the 800 volts electrical architecture, the 2025 Taycan GTS supports up to 320 kilowatts DC fast charging. Ideal conditions, 10 to 80% in just 18 minutes. In real-world use, we manage 37% to 85% in around 25 minutes, which is still super fast, top speed, limited to 250 kilometers per hour, which might disappoint some Autobahn lovers. But for daily and spirited driving, that's more than enough. Now comes the big Zoom Auto question. Is it worth it? The GTS sits right between the 4S and the Turbo. It's around 30,000 euros more than a 4S, and it's 30,000 euros less than a Turbo. But here's the thing. The base Taycan and the 4S are already so good, so refined, and so quick that spending extra on the GTS might only make sense if you're craving that sportier edge. And let's not forget, electric performance is impressive, but range and practicality still matter. So if you're okay with slightly less flair, you can save big with a Taycan 4S. Or even go for a base Taycan and use the extra 50,000 euros to get a fun weekend car. Sounds like a plan, right? But make no mistake, this 2025 Taycan GTS is an absolute monster. It's fast, it's sharp, and it handles like a dream. One of the best driving EVs Porsche has ever built. So Zoom Auto Fam, what do you think? Is the GTS the perfect Taycan? Or would you save some cash and go for the 4S? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another thrilling ride with us. Until next time, take care and drive safe.